Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have some contacts in my eyes and I'm starting off by already dressed in my sweet little Spock outfit. I've had this for like years, since 2010 actually. So I started off with some primer water just to hydrate my face, and now I'm using the NYX micro brow pencil to draw in some serious Spock brows. I'm just angling them up, and then I'm gonna leave like the inner bits a little bit natural. I'm just gonna fill them in with the pencil. I wish I could wear my brows like this every day, to be honest. I feel like this is a look that I might be investigating. I feel like I look like a cat. No? I don't know. Anyway, so now I'm taking a thicker black liner. This is a That's the Point by NYX as well, and I'm just thickening those up and making them super black. I love this. This is my new look, I think, you guys. Haha, speaking of a cat. And just to sharpen up them brows, I'm taking the Kat Von D Locket, whatever this is called. I'm in the latest shade, I think it's called L1. And I'm just sharpening those up. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. You could totally do a brow block for this, but I thought the little tails of my brows really don't bother me. So that's my choice. But you could totally use like a glue stick to do a brow block if you want. I have many tutorials doing that, so check one out if you need to learn how to cover your brows with a glue stick. I'm then going to take the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer. Oh, I need to yawn. I'm just putting that all over my eyeballs, and then I like to blend that out with a beauty blender, just, you know, to make sure it's all blended. I'm going to be working with this beautiful palette by Too Faced, which is the Semi-Sweet Chocolate palette. Now, I had a vision for this, and I started off with this brown, but then I was like, I think my vision just changed because I remember I had a little product that I wanted to use for this. So I'm going to tape these buggers up, and I'm kind of like angling it like towards up in my brow. Like I have a little angle going. So this is the product I forgot I had. This is a Shiseido. It's like a cream eyeshadow. I think these are new. I'm not sure. I think these came out in spring. I don't know. Anyway, I'm taking this beautiful like purpley lavender, and I'm just buffing this all over my eyelid. I also switched between some brushes as well, just to like bring it right up to my brow. And I guess I could have just used this instead of concealer, but you know, whatever. Now I'm just taking the black, and I just want to like have a little smoked out wing liner moment as well. So I'm just putting that right over top of where I put that brown. Baby, are you trying to jump up on me right now? I'm doing a voiceover. You can't jump up on me. Okay, goodbye. All right. I love how I'm just not even editing these voiceovers anymore. I'm just like, one shot. You get one shot. Now, because this is a cream, I'm setting it with a powder over top. Oh God, I love ripping these off. Oh yes. Ooh, just cleaning up any of that like fallout or product I had underneath there. And now it's time for my complexion. I'm using the Hydra Touch Primer by NYX. I love this stuff. It's so hydrating. It's really similar to that e.l.f. balm that I've been loving as well. Like they kind of have the same like vibe. So now I'm using my favorite foundation of the moment, which is like, this is, you guys, I love this. I love this foundation. It's the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet or Velvet Matte. I can never get it right. Whatever. I just love it. I love how it looks. You can still see the red from the devil in my forehead. You guys, that cream just does not come off. I told you. I warned you. I'm also using a bit of concealer. This is, again, I've used this all month long. I'm surprised it's not empty yet, but there's just so much product in it. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting whatever. And then obviously I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder because this is life. Also, how am I not out of this yet either? I've used it like a zillion times. Anyway, now I'm going into the Smashbox Highlight and Contour, or maybe it's just Contour, whatever it's called, I don't really know. I'm in the latest shade of this palette anyway, and I'm just using the cool tone just to contour my face as I normally would. I don't know. What am I gonna do? Make myself look like, I don't even know. I'm just contouring. Do whatever you want, okay? Now I'm using this pretty pink blush because this is like, you know, Spock meets Bailey Vanderveen, so I'm like doing my own thing. So obviously I need some blush because blush is my favorite thing. And now I'm just going to take that same eyeliner and I'm just doing a super thin line, mostly somewhere for the lashes to sit on my eyeballs. So I'm just kind of just applying that. I also applied that in my little inner tear duct bits as well, just to give myself, you know, a little more of like a sexy little eye. Ooh la la. Curling my lashes and applying some mascara. I think this is Lash Paradise. Could be Too Faced better than Sex. I feel like it's a Too Faced one. Anyway, I'm gonna be using these Urban Decay lashes. I've had these for so long. I just love these lashes. They're really easy to like reuse as well. Ooh hoo 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 hoo. And again, I'm using my Wet n Wild highlighter. You guys, these are so good. Like, Wet n Wild has been sending me stuff lately, and like Wet n Wild, I literally live for your products, which is so crazy because I never really did, even when, I don't even know. I love this shit. It's so good. Like, go get yourself a Wet n Wild highlighter, honestly. I'm also just putting that underneath my little tear duct bits. I don't even know what to call this. Anyway, so this is a CoverGirl Pout something. I chose this lipstick because I was like, ooh, like a little like cute pink, like why not? It was like a little bit too pink, so then I went in with this Chanel lipstick, which I've had, I probably even shouldn't be putting this on my lips. I've had this for like, I can't even say how many years because I'll like get banned from YouTube. So I just put that on top to kind of like yellow it out and brown it down a bit. And that's the look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little Spock tutorial. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye!